Mic check. Good morning, good morning, good morning. I don't know, Key. Freezing in this joint. I'm, I'm not touching you. That's how that sound. I'm not touching you. Mm. Audio should be good. Nah, they can hear me. It's not a problem. They can hear the music too, but this ain't no problem. They about to throw some games. They both one and the same. Cupid's the one to blame. Let's reset. See what we did overnight. Make sure my audio is good. Yeah, we finna clear all this sell side. Straight down. They both one and the same. Cupid's the damn. Mic should be good now. All right. And cute. What we get? Definitely was not up at 5 this morning. The only thing I would be interested in is if we get a pop up to this area first without clearing out the sell side. Cupid's the one to blame. We're so close to this sell side. They both one and the same. Cupid's the one to blame. Finish that here. Dum, 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 dum. Not this. You don't want me to have sex with you. How the song go? Have sex with me. Oh yeah. Sing it, kid. Ooh. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. Thank you, God, for another day. Yeah, let's. Yeah, we can start. We can start today's session with a prayer. Dear Heavenly Father, we come to you and say thank you for the breath that you've given us, allowing us to wake up and have the opportunity to make ourselves eat better mentally, physically, and financially on these charts. We thank you for all the blessings you continue to rain down, and we ask for your protection and your guidance as we continue to move forward. Amen. Turn the music up. I am. Ain't your man, girl. Mm-hmm. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. I am. And I ain't your man. I think we still in a cell program. I don't think. Yeah, yeah. And I ain't your man. So yeah, I think we might dip our toe ever so slightly in here. Bink. Mm-mm. Let's see. One trade chat. Make sure we patient. We watching the charts closely. And we chill. And I ain't your man, no. And I ain't your man. It dumped. It actually dumped and came back and dumped again. So we shall see. Let's see what the 15 look like. It's just straight line, gruesome, ugly chat. There's nothing it looks like you want to take loans out of. There's absolutely.
I can see the reason I was did running like that last night. That this morning gonna be just chop.
You think today gonna be chop? I see low level resistance to the downside. If we zooming
Yeah,
out,
by Asia. Gotcha.
nah, we zooming out. Everything all the way to the left has been cleared out. You know what I'm saying? Like where price at right now? There's no gaps, no nothing. It's literally just liquidity just to get swept.
Yeah.
There's nothing for it to even bounce out of really. So low level resistance, I would say, is just easy to fall through, like butter right now.
I just said it was muggy and hot in here. I'm
What
trying
what
outside.
happened?
I'm starting outside now.
Bearishness. ES. Let's check the Dow. The Dow is just off a cliff. 2K. Gold. Zoom out on gold. Yeah, key. I think if we get into forex, gold is like where our money will be really made.
Oh, for sure.
Cause higher time frame swings for us, like we could call that out. Cool. It's that daily in and out that kind of trips us up on the daily. But 4 hour what? Godly. Higher time frame structures on gold. This is textbook trending. Mm-mm.
I was trying to ask you this last night because I had noticed. Isn't it when price gives you two highs, that's pretty much equal level. Isn't that bearish sign?
It could be. It all depends on higher time frame structure though.
That was like on an hourly though.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, this train ain't stopping until 28.5. Yeah, not confident in this push up on this 5 minute. If we want to see bullishness, we want to see bullishness. Like maybe it was just low volume from last night in London, but it's that choppiness. But what I would like to see is price push up to this zone. And I'll take sales for the continuation. Oh, baby, you say I'm just a friend. 'Cause I can be your fantasy. I'm saying I'm just a friend. I wanna do what you know. I wanna know what you're all about. I wanna know what makes you laugh. I wanna know about you. Yeah, nah, that's over it. I can move too. I wanna know if you're telling me I'm just a friend. You're telling me I'm just a friend. Oh baby, you got what I need. Yeah, say I'm just a friend. 'Cause I can't be. Mm, mm, mm. Got what I need, yeah. Say I'm just a friend. 'Cause I can be your fantasy. And I know you know I'm flying. Mm, mm, mm. To see, girl. It might get bought up. Don't fight the feeling that you see. We bearish. Okay. Mm. Crying out for me. Mm, mm, mm. Coming in and save me. off a cliff. Down 1,000 points since last night. Wait, no, since Wednesday. Yeah. Clap. I know you on me. You don't have to cry no more. Girl, I can hear you. Oh, 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 oh. Give it up, baby. Mm, 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 mm. me some coffee. Huh? No, I don't.
It's 4:28.
And big spike up. Right into this very shorter block. See, that's why sometimes you gotta open up the chart, cause you sometimes don't see these. One minute to market open. Just be a man about it. I ain't gonna hurt. Just be a man about it.
Sip some over there.
Thank you.
That was good. I didn't want to put the top on. Is it late?
No, it's good.
I knew it was going to add up.
Yeah. I was trying to see if it would work its way up into this area for a short, but I had this as an area of interest as well, and it wicked up into this bearish fair value gap on the one. Textbook continuation model, but super sloppy. Straight to sell side. God has blessed me, baby. I'm addicted to your love, baby. Oh, yes, I am. You are the very, very special one. See, I wanted price to get up into this area, but
Yeah, that's why I was looking on the 5 minute. Honestly, I didn't have anything marked on the 5 minutes because I was like, if it do go up,
yeah,
it'll go to this area. But I didn't see nothing else. Everything else.
yeah, but bearish order block combined with bearish fair value gap was also an area of interest. But I really was just more gravitating towards this bearish order block with this bigger fair value gap. What do you say? Ding, ding, dum, 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 mm, mm, Whoa. Gold did the spink, 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 back into this fair value gap.
Yeah, gold just in this fair value gap, just playing around.
Yeah.
Skittle daddling.
Skedaddling. Dum, 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 dum. Man, boy.
It's bullish volume imbalance. It's just gonna drop from there.
Yeah, this is bullish for value gap somewhere. I think on a 4 hour.
Yeah,
It may
it's on
bounce from there.
well, not I got it on the daily, but
Yeah,
it's a
that's a daily.
4 hour too.
Yeah, that's a daily. Right. That was. Mm. Dang.
The price made it could bounce. Just going based off the daily, it could bounce right here. The price made a volume imbalance.
Mm-hmm.
Looking, long term.
Dangerous. Okay, so we get the 5 minute new low, right? When the 5 minute makes a new low, the 1 minute has to do what?
Turn bullish.
So that's what we could potentially be looking for. Potentially, however, Key, if I'm being honest, a second indication could go deep as fuck. You know what I'm saying? Because if this was the last low here, right? The first indication on this one
Yeah.
was here and it went deep and now it's up. And if this is the last swing, like swing, external swing low here, this being the first indication, we could get a deep second indication before it retrace up. So we just have to watch structure, see how it reacts now that it's in this volume imbalance. Hold on. MES ain't sweeping nothing. MES holding on, huh?
You think there's potential for it just to go back to here? This one is.
Yeah.
Or that be potential. Like a reversal.
No, I feel like it's something in here for our volume imbalances. It's ES though.
It's off Nancy.
What makes it next? Fire to me.
Cause you didn't you don't even know how many scoops you did.
Yeah, we bounce. I would like to see a bounce into this zone. 750. 750. Or even come clear out. Let me see. Yeah. Yeah, bounce to come clear out these relatively equal highs here. Yeah, liquidity. And then check out this little 4 hour area up in here. Actually, let's see what the daily looks like. Around this area, it's gotta be something, right? Yeah. Bearish daily volume imbalance. So a bounce could definitely send us up in here sometime next week. We'll have to work through this bearish volume imbalance, work through this bearish fair value gap, some other mess. But if we able to hold this right here, this is it. Last line of defense, Key. Now after this is
Yeah, one more little tiny work through, but after that, that's
Key,
it.
this ain't no work through right here.
Yeah.
This ain't no work through. This is on the daily, even on that 4 hour, because price goes from what to what? From
Liquidity to area of interest to liquidity.
and you barely got any liquidity,
Mm-hmm.
like, especially when it breaks under here. The next liquidity is like way down. You know what I'm saying? So swap liquidity, volume imbalance. I could be interested in loans out of this if the structure holds. Yes, already popped. Give a good, decent pop. Back into back out of a volume imbalance on ES. It's filling the sweep lower. MNQ is saying, "Shut up, boy. You don't know what the." Yeah.
Let it do what it do.
Okay, you on the mic. You hear me?
Mm.
You on the mic.
Oh, you gotta go poop.
I ain't gotta do nothing. Tell my business. Man, what's good with Phil, boy? You made me miss my shorts yesterday. You see all this push down? This big ass push down from last night? Where was we at? Where was we? We were right here, bro. Nah. Me right here, bro. Right here was when I was showing you market structure. When I came back, the price was already moving. I could have found another re-entry around here, but I thought price might be trying to bounce out of that. But I blame you. I blame you, Ben. From here, 500-point drop, $1,000 off one contract. Lit. Yeah, Trader Bates been tripping. This doesn't look too bullish. If price wanted to be bullish by now, it would have been popped. It's not. It's not popping. But we gotta wait for the 5 minutes to show us it wants to be bullish, and then come back into its own zone. So we got some time to kind of be patient. I'm finna switch my wife over to the mic. She said she want to show what her trades on gold. It was a gold yesterday or MNQ. What was your trades on yesterday?
I don't know.
She's nervous. She doesn't like being on the camera this early in the morning, and her makeup's not done. Boo hoo. Boo hoo.
I could turn the camera off and tell them.
You can turn the camera off.
Right. Hello. It what? Uh-huh. Mm-hmm. Oh, so I really gotta get my camera. Okay. Okay. husband's so adamant on me showing y'all where gold is. Let's see, let's see. What's up, husbands? YouTube. Okay, I'm gonna show y'all my setup for gold yesterday. It's so hard because I hate working on his computer. Okay. So what I had. So he already has the hourly bearish fair value gap where price was respecting it. But I also had I had a daily. It's a whole bunch of mess over here. You can't really tell what price was doing, but let me make sure this is where it was. I actually think I saw it on the 4 hour. This is all. I literally hate his laptop. Let me find shit on his stuff. What happened to his camera? See, I was prepared to get on the camera. It's probably too hot. There was a bullish fair value gap right here that price was rejecting off of. I can't find it on his chart, but I have it charted up on mine. But there was a bullish fair value gap mixed with a volume imbalance right here. So price was rejecting off of this. I really want to find it for you guys so y'all can visually see. I literally hate your laptop. I'm trying to find my shit. I'm like going back and forth. I'm trying to find the bullish fair value gap so I can show them where price was rejecting off of. But after that, just through the.
You know the mic is over there. Why the mic behind your head?
Grown. Okay. This you think it's too sensitive. How do you even work with this?
It's a mouse.
Huh?
It's a mouse.
I know. I guess because I'm not used to working. I'm used to just working on my stuff. Where did I take my trade at? Yeah, I can't get jiggy with this. My bearish fair value got where price is. Yeah, no. Can I explain on my computer?
They'll never be able to see it, but
Huh?
which I can.
I hate your chart. See, look, like
You gotta
just
get
the way
used to.
like how yours set up, mine is just cleaner. Like it's
Yours
just
is
like
not cleaner than my chart.
yes, it is. Like
Yours is not
just even
cleaner.
like with the settings. See, look, when I zoom in, I can easily find my bearish fair value gap right here. With price reject. Let me change your.
Whatever. I can't believe you said that. MES gave clean structure on a 1 minute to go long. They got this bullish order block. The price may want to dip back into around here if we don't sweep out this buy side. I was trying to log in on my phone in the room, but it wouldn't let me.
What on YouTube? You trying
to trade. I was trying to check the temperature around here. It wouldn't let me. I was trying my damnedest. It was like too many unsuccessful attempts. You're out of there. I was like, man, let me stop.
I can show you them.
1 second. Yeah, I was trying to check the temperature back here. I could not get in on the phone. I was over here trying to log in and everything. It just would not let me get in. That's cool though. It may reject off of here. My only thing is fighting against bullishness, because the 5 minute has already inversed this bullish fair value gap, so it doesn't have to stop. I'd rather see it retrace first, and then I feel more comfortable before it sweeps this liquidity. I love you first.
Your computer died again? I mean, your camera died again?
I probably overheated. I wonder if it just be like going to sleep or something. No, the camera don't record. You press record on the camera? Yeah, no, I was talking about right here.
Yeah, I did that.
If I had one wish. Promise to love you. Trust me, I trust you. If I had one wish. Yeah, Bowman Jr. Man, boys just turned 16 and I got who? His foes in my and I got who? Give me that. Give me that. I know you like the way I lean and I like you could be in the back saying, gimme, gimme, gimme.
I just like your lie, okay?
Give me that. Give me that. I know you like the way I lean and I like you can be in the back saying, gimme, gimme, gimme. Give me that. Give me that. You could be in the back. Kid. And girl, you serious and I've been watching you. Hey. You like it on my ringtone.
If it breaks above here, it's not good.
And what time frame? What time is that?
The hourly.
Yeah. Mm, 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 mm.
See how yours look, and then like when I went to my 1 hour, it was just like
Your shit all condensed. All right, so I like the way that this hourly candle closed. Long wick into the volume imbalance shows that we have a bullish order block somewhere within there. Drop down to the 5 or even the 15. Last down candle before the displacement. Up, bullish order block right up in there. Beautiful price delivery. Now what I'm looking for is for my price to come back down. My wife says my charts suck. Y'all let me know down in the comments. Okay, so we got the 5-minute liquidity sweep, right? Inverse fair value gap. Now we need our 1 minute to turn bearish, and if we want to take buys, we want it one to turn back bullish. I wouldn't try sales myself out of here just cause it's ugly. It's ass. It's ass. Hater. Is it just you on the line? Most likely. Most likely. If y'all ain't coming for the trade, y'all at least came for the jams, man. Cause the music gonna be music. That's me and you. How did he get stopped out? So a homie I work with sent me a video saying he got stopped out, but I'm like, how could you have been stopped out, bro?
If he took his reverse, like did he? Where do you think he traded?
So yeah, we got this big 5-minute push. I'm just waiting on clear entry. $647. Yeah, I got this Bear Chevette gap right here marked off.
Yours too high.
This is the same area. You think so?
No, so, no.
I chose the inverse. I think it's a 15-minute. Price is not playing around today. This is the type of bullishness that we like to see. Liquidity sweep changing the state of delivery on the 5-minute. Be patient on that one to come back into our area of interest, and then we'll see.
The price too? I say it's 20.
Man, price ain't do that. Price ain't even do that. Price ain't even do that.
I say it was gonna reject off of.
Uh-oh. Mm. 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 Mm-hmm. 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 They say if you able to learn a trade during this market, you gonna be cold. You know what I'm saying?
What can I say?
What can you say? Practicing patience, chat.
You know how you would have been able to spot the fair value gap better
Nah,
if your chart was advanced.
you're crazy.
I think that's probably why it's probably a little difficult.
You know what? I just had this marked up on my 5 too though. I'm liking sales out of this, if I'm being honest, Key.
That's why
Let's see if we can get a slight pop back up. But it ain't hit the 50 of this fair value gap. But it's bouncing. ES is bouncing out of this 5-minute though. Oh my God. We shall see. It's too soon. Too soon to call. We're gonna wait for it. You feel me? Mm. Mm. What's today?
Friday.
I'm saying like, what is today?
Friday.
What do I mean?
The date. You want the date? Oh, what I gotta do? I'm about to say. We'll be at the park.
Have you ever tried to get in the retest on the breaker structure? That's what I'm waiting on. I want to see if this 5-minute manipulation, uh, liquidity sweep, displacement. I want to see if we can get back into this range. Hopefully here with this inverse fair value gap somewhere around this area, so I could take an entry. Only thing I don't like is, so I would want price to get back into here first, right? Come back into this zone, and then I want my 1 minute to sweep his own liquidity and then have his own market structure shift, and then come back into here to go higher, so that way I could take my entry around here with my stop loss below this 1 minute low, and being able to have a better risk to reward targeting this liquidity high. Right, so most people, they try to get in on that first wick here, like soon as the 1 minute tap into this 5-minute bullish. But the problem is when the 1 minute, sweeps his own liquidity, you don't know how deep that dive might be. So it's easy to get stopped out. Or even if you have your stop down here, that one kills your risk to reward ratio and opens you up to a ton of loss in case price wants to actually dip a little bit deeper into this 1 hour bullish and fair value gap. You know what I'm saying? It shouldn't, but that's just the nature of the beast. You never know what price may do. So, I'd rather be more patient for the right setup. As I was explaining last night, gotta get liquidity sweep with liquidity, market structure shift, fair value gap, take my entry, manage my risk, take profit. That's all I'm waiting on. If I don't see that, I don't see that. This on MNQ could have been a market structure trade. However, I don't like taking trades when my market structures don't align. My 1 hour is bearish, 5 minutes bearish. This didn't allow for a ton of market structure here. If this is my last swing high on a minute, once price swept that high here, if it was bearish, it should have sold off, but it pushed higher. And then once this candle closed here, this is that market structure shift right here. So you could have took your buys off of this and just, kept it going. But really, MES gave a cleaner setup as far as a market structure shift on the 1 minute. At the right key. That's right. Right, last swing high. I like to use the term activate sellers, right? Because this is buy side liquidity. It's sellers up here. Sellers up here pushing price down. So this wick here activates those sellers. And if price is bearish, it should activate these sellers, maybe even near here, but then make a lower low. But what it do, it activate those sellers, makes a higher low, and instead buyers take up more ground. So once it activates sellers and this candle closed here, this was a market structure shift. Or shift the market structure. You could take your buys here with your stop loss below the lows, and then target at least a 2-to-1. Right, that was a market structure thing. But I don't like to trade just off of that, the premise of that alone. I like to see full market alignment with my 5 minute and my 1. Full market alignment in my 5 minute and my 1. So if I can get back into this range, then hopefully we can do some damage or do some business. I don't expect to dip down back in here. If we do, cool, whatever. Just be a tighter stop with even more reward. But right now we just reading the tape reading, right? Ain't that right? Tapeworm? Yeah, we tapeworming. Just to see what we can get. You know this song, King? She don't know this song. Why don't you know this song?
You can take trading OnlyFans to another level.
No, for real.
You
Hit
take
your take profit. I hit your take profit. What did that want me to do? Nope. Crazy. What do we get? Do we get it? Drive me crazy. Continuation higher than. Alcohol. Say it again.
I said, oh, she did teach you or something.
This morning.
Yeah. Oh yeah, this very strip value got right here. Let it bounce off of to go down.
Mm, mm. I'm gonna start taking my entries off the stop losses. Like if it looks like this,
Mhm.
where it's like real close,
Yeah.
I'm gonna just set my entry at a stop loss
Yeah.
and make it wider. You know what I'm saying? That way I'm not trying to guess the fair value gap and guess this tight of a stop. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
You get one of those, that's lit, but you at least wanna participate. I'm talking about some ski week. Yeah, sneeze like a delta, or AKA ski week. Hey, 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 hey. I woke up this morning thinking the sales on ES reached in here. It's not too late. Manage my risk. And relax your mind. Okay, we like to see that.
A rejection.
Yeah. out there, let me hear you say, yeah, yeah, yeah. If you're out there, let me hear you say, yeah. If you're out there, let me hear you say. Break it down one time. Oh, oh.
Where did you have your line at? I had tracked it from here. Where you tracked yours from?
It's ES, but
Oh, okay.
yeah, this is ES. But I was looking at this. I really didn't get the full 1 minute. I was going off for this 5 minute,
Break below that part.
this 5 minute breaker structure, right?
Uh-huh.
Low indications. It came into this inverse survey gap
Yeah.
right up in here, and it was already doing this number.
That's crazy because I was looking at gold the same way, but I didn't look at it. So,
Yeah, it was already doing this number. I could have been a little bit more patient,
yeah.
and because I want to say I got in right here, I could have, wait for a little bit of a pop back up.
Right.
Give me what you want. Give me what you want.
I'm too scared to tell it.
And I know what I like, and I know what I want, and I know what it is. Dum, dum. Can I take you home, girl? Kiss you all alone. And I know what I want, and I know how to get it. Can I take you home, girl? Gives you all alone, girl. Treat you like I want to. Do 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 do. Treat you like I want to. Can I take you home, girl? Let go. I'm afraid they might have used this as a support. I'm not liking that bullish bounce. We got to reject out of here. Got to reject out of here, chat. With speed. I needed to, same way it just popped, I needed to pop down.
It's still doing that shit again. You see how it hit my.
Yeah. Just assume. Yeah, just assume. Press 3.
Huh?
Yeah. And we just know where you would have been. You might just have to start doing it like that if you can watch it. Mhm, mhm, mhm. Mm, mm. We inverse this. I'm cutting. Tell me what's up. It's looking real strong though, chat. Mm. Yeah, I don't think we keep price down within the next 15 seconds. I might just take my little L. Yeah. Tell me what's up. Midline. Yeah, it's looking too strong. My only thought is like off to the left. Yeah, I don't like this. Off to the left, this is bearish volume and balance here. I mean, that's PD right here. We inverted it. Cut the play. That was it. My losing trades. That was it for me today, chat. 7:40. Yeah, I'm out. Oh yeah. Now watch it flush. Yeah, NQ making higher eyes anyway. So with. Is that you? Is that
Probably should have better tweak this. Like price gonna go and sweep all these highs right here.
for real?
Yeah, right now it's just too close to. Could have been too far back.
ES turn heavy, bro. I'm gonna be upset. But it inverse. Return of the man. Mm-mm-mm. All right, let me get dressed. So now you seeing ICT videos on. There be some good listens.
Yeah.
It's like those important parts of his strategy is broken down to like small sections. Look at this. I'll be a little bit at break even. No, I'll be up like $16. But I'm not get back in because this is why I would blow accounts, because if my entry was here and I was once up, but I cut it for rules and I took an L, like if it get back here, I'd be like, ah man, I was right. Let me get back in, and then really it is using it for support to bounce higher. So if I cut, that's it. I ain't chasing that. I'm saying that out loud, and it's a good thing that I'm starting to stream. Honestly, it's not even that I'm the best trader; is that I know you guys are watching, so I'm not trying to take trades in secret,
Yeah.
and I'm able to voice those things.
Why you doing?
Yeah, like try my thought process. I think this is bullish structure here, unless this is inverted. Yeah, it's inverted, but it's bearish now.
How much time you got?
Time? How much what?
Time you got?
My phone just died?
You said 45.
Nah, I need my work lap calendar. It didn't even say it was dead. It just like restarted.
But you had your phone on the charger all right.
Not all night.
Yes, I had it on the calendar.
No, look, it's just restarting. So weird. Yeah, so we were right in our trade. Shouldn't have cut. We should have left it to either heaven or hell. All right, nothing till 10, but camera on or off? Camera on or off? We were right in our trade, chat.
I do hate watching gold though because it moves so slow for me.
If I had been 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 more minutes of patience. Okay. You feel me? It's not a good trade. Definitely got to target 1 to 2. This is bullish.
Oh, I say, for the way my shit just shot up.
My phone still tripping. Hammer at support. All right, we out. Hold on. So market structure, 5-minute liquidity sweep. Breaker structure. 1 minute turn bearish. Might be able to do the continuation model. 1 minute turn bullish. What you think, Key? Call it or last stab.
I don't know because like I'm not really confident in my trade anymore. So
That's an ES. 5 minute bullish.
no, this shit shot up.
Say it again.
I don't know, baby.
You nervous? Nah, it's looking bearish so far. But we don't want to guess this chop.
Right.
It's just bouncing out of this bearish fair value gap to come attack that 5 minute fair value gap down here that we want to see an entry. So I would definitely think this rejection out of here is the sell. That's how she wrote.
I really hate trading though. It should be like
Hey, look, it's not a loss until it's a loss. Right or wrong.
right.
Did you take your trade? Did you take your strategy?
Yeah.
It's not a loss then. A trade is only a loss if you gamble. If you follow your strategy and take the trade, that's a win. Because the win is you followed your strategy, stuck to your rules, manage your risk, and you're consistent.
Yeah.
You're not guessing. That's a winning trade. Whether the market go up or down in your direction or against, doesn't matter. What matters is that you're consistent, manage your risk, manage your emotions, manage your trade. All right, chat.
What about this? Cause it closed.
Took your trade?
Yeah.
That's your, you know what I'm saying? Let it go, heaven and hell. And if it work out, take notes. If it don't, take notes.
If it don't, I'm tired of losing.
It's a good thing you losing in paper though. Shit. You don't want to be losing, you know what I'm saying?
I have to reset my paper all over again.
Do the sprinkler key. All right, we out.
You stop recording. I just need to break below. Is it break below here?
It's going. It's gonna break.
Cool.
Key. Cause ES, remember? This should have been me. This should have been me. To liquidity. Out of this bullish fair value gap that we was looking for, right?
Yeah.
Come on, waste time. gonna start trading like this. That's me when I lose a trade. I gotta look up over the weekend how to get this to stay on.
Alright, come on, let's smash her.
That's what I'm trying to tell you. I gotta go.